It's the chef boy.
Yo, this never gets old. Yo, I'm telling you, this never gets old. I got one more pull before I get out of here and settle. That never gets old, man. Oh my gosh. It's the whine that isn't annoying, as King Zeke says all the time. Yeah, so I am heading over to see the driver that we don't deserve. His name is Fabio. I don't know that I'm gonna be able to do too much of anything because everybody is the way that they are. I love how it says stay in lane. I am staying in a lane after I get into it. People are braking. I can make happen. Oh, he's in my way. I can do it. Yep, there we go. Oh yes, that high performance driving class worked. Took that turn fast. Yes. Heavy merge from bridge. Oh, I really should calm down. I don't have gas because I didn't do what Zeke told me to do. All right, jump onto the turnpike in about a mile. Man. Yeah, I am under a quarter tank. By the way, never let your gas hit a quarter tank. Always go just slightly above a quarter tank. I am literally defying what I normally do. The reason why is because your fuel pump is self-lubricating, meaning it needs gas to lubricate itself. And unfortunately, I am not giving it that. So your fuel pump goes, you have a very expensive trip to the mechanic, because I don't know anyone that can resolve a fuel pump issue by themselves. Okay, actually, I know a few people that could. I should have went over. Should have went over. Nice downshift, okay. I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's happening. Oh, I need to go to the turnpike. I literally said that out loud. That guy that was merging behind me was scared, and I'm kind of like, but you see what I'm pushing. It'll be fine. Oh, I could have been in that lane too. I'm not paying attention. I'm not from Jersey, so I don't do Jersey things. I don't know anything about Jersey. 3 lanes? Okay. That means this next lane too. I think I have enough space. I definitely have enough space. Stay right in this gear. Feel it. Yeah, G-forces. G-forces. All right, 3.7 miles. Getting off 3.7 miles. I am going to Newark. If anyone knows about Newark, it's not the best place to go. Oh, okay, easy pass on me. There we go. My easy pass is somewhere. I don't know where it is. Go, okay. Squeeze, squeeze. Woo! Yes. Yes. Come on. Come on. Whew. I'm telling you, like, this is the reason why people race in, you know, MotoGP and NASCAR and whatever, because that feeling never gets old. It's not just speed, it's also getting in and out, you know? But then we come to traffic, and it's like, I might as well just cut the video and move to the next section. You know what I mean? I am destroying my gas, though. Like it's bad right now. And I really, really should calm down. And I probably will in a bit. But I'm just having some fun now. I actually could just stay in the higher gears. I've got torque all over the place. So I could literally just make anything happen from like 4th gear, you know? You feel that? Look at that. My God. Well, I'm asking if you feel it, but you can basically see it. My head is being thrown back every time step on the gas. But I'm in 4th gear right now. You know what I mean? 4th gear and 2,200 RPMs. Golly, this thing is a monster. So yeah, I mean, this is a daily thing, you know. It's a daily, I do this on a daily, you know, this kind of movement, because this is who she is. Yeah, it's unfortunate. Traffic. Welcome to Jersey. That was from 4th though. That was from 4th. I'm telling you, I've got torque all over the place. Golly. Oh, he yelling at that white girl. I don't have space here, do I? I don't think I do. Oh, he just slowed down. Come on, man. By the way, just so that everybody knows, I'm not resting my hand on here. I have my hand around it. And in case anyone's asking, what is this thing on here? Well, my mom made this for me. It in the winter, it keeps the cold off my hand, and in the summer, it keeps the hot off my hand. But seeing as how I've been in this for a little bit, you know. Oh, I've been in the car for a little bit, I mean. There we go. Oh, okay. I gotta exit right. I might just get around this one and then slow down a little bit. 6.5 miles. Excuse me, miles. Yeah, 6.5 miles per gallon. I stopped saying stuff. But yeah, 6.5 miles per gallon. That is what I get in this car. And you can see why. You know, I'm driving my car like I have no sense. Or like I have all the sense. This is the way she's supposed to be driven. I don't care what you say. I don't care what you say. Alright, I will beat the bus and then get around this guy. Or gal. What is that, 15W? Okay. Alright. Alright. I'm still in 4th. I haven't left 4th gear. I kind of want to, but I'm just not going to. 3rd. Wow. That's what she sounds like. 2nd gear. I would be crazy and go over there, but it's just not, it's not worth it. Got behind me picking up speed. I'll go to 3rd and stay there because we're not doing anything. And I need to conserve some gas. This is the first time I said that in a while. Normally I fill up a lot sooner than this. From 3rd, my gosh, my gosh, my gosh. Oh Lord, okay. I mean, the thing is, am I used to this? Yes. But is it any less magical? No. It is still magical. It's still strange. You know what I mean? You said toll unpaid. Where is my... Wow. Okay, whatever. Golly. 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 I lost the tail for a hot half a second because I was moving while the wheel was turned. Oh man. Oh man. Oh gosh. Listen, man. I'm normally never in 5th gear, but we're gonna do it now. And then my cruising gear, right? I'm cruising, right? This, oh man! I just saw how fast I was going. Drop down 2. That whine, man. You hear that? And that's not even at 4,500 RPM. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And mind you, I've had her for a year. I've had her for a year and a month now. A year, a month, and some change, man. Sheesh. By the way, I shift a lot more than I really need to. I'm still in 4th gear. So much torque all over the place. Gosh. Whew. And now we'll come to some traffic. which is kind of welcome because like my heart is beating hard, man. Like this is exciting, you know what I mean? And you know, I'm breaking very few laws. I'm joking, I didn't break any laws. You know, I was just going, you know, the speed limit just very, very quickly. Like very, very quickly, you know? So that guy wants me to get in, I could tell. It's an older charger. So it's the last gen charger. And now we're in the traffic, right? We're in the traffic. So I think now is a good time for me to say goodbye to y'all. If you do like stuff like this, please hit the like button to let me know you like this. If you want any hints, tips, or tricks on how to make your car do the stuff and the things, let me know. I mean, if you have this car, then, you know, I can tell you stuff, but like regular driving stuff, I can't really tell you that. You're not getting in front of me. I'm sorry. Like, you're not. Respect me. Like, man, like this is different. This is different. And I'm gonna say that every single time I get in this car. This is different. I am blessed. Truly I am. I am the Chef Boy. Please subscribe. We're on that road to 400. And I'm hoping that you'll be down for the ride. That you're down for, you know, what we're doing, learning, growing, and just becoming better at the stuff that we're getting into. I am the Chef Boy, and you just got the recipe. Oh, y'all weren't. Oh, look at that. You didn't know you could do that? Oh, this is a hook. This is a hook. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. Stay at same speed. Same speed. Same speed. Oh my gosh. Woo! That was mad close.